Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sniff packets or how to sniff network packet using Python. Network packet sniffing is a process of capturing and analyzing data packets as they traverse a network. When we say capture packet sniffers intercept and capture data packets traveling over network, collecting information such as the source and destination address, payload content. When we say payload, software developers, they understand protocol used and other packets details. And when we say analysis, once captured, those packets can be analyzed to understand network traffic patterns, diagnose network issues, monitor network activities, or identify potential threat or potential security threat. Threat is like a weakness of a system. And where we use those packets we captured. For example, those who work as network administrators, security professionals, and analysts can use packet sniffer or network analyzers for various purposes, including network troubleshooting, performance monitoring, security assessment, and compliance check or protocol analysis. Let's start by opening our PyCharm community edition. When you sniff a network, you can get credentials like a username and the password of someone. So let's create a new project. Let's call it network sniffing. Network sniffing. Let's call it this name. Let's use a new window. So now we are going to start by this Python. We are going to use different libraries. In Python, we are going to use the scapy library that's help to capture or to analyze packets over network. So we are going to start by creating a file. Let's create a file or Python file. Let's call it sniffing as a Python file. So now we are going to install our library scapy. Use pipe install scapy. You see, we write pipe install scapy as our library that are going to help us to capture packets over network. So press enter. So now we have successfully installed scapy into the system, into our file. So as we finished to install scapy, now we are going to import scapy. We have it to write from scapy .or import use this star. So here we are going to define a function for handle or analyze network packet. Let's define packet. Let's call it packet 100. You can use packets when you write T, it's a packet. It's a function. So what you're going to do now, you're going to return, let's use triple single quote 100 and analyze network packets. Network packets. So for now, can let it do like this. So now what the following things that you're going to do is for checking the TCP packet. You will check TCP packet. Let's use a comment of check for TCP. When you write a TCP, network engineers, they understand packets as an example. So the packet that you are going to capture are those packets that contain potential sensitive information. Example like plain text and the other things. Check for TCP packet containing potential sensitive information, or positive information. Example like credentials in plain text. So now let's write if TCP transfer control protocol, TCP in you know, there is somewhere we write packet PKT and PKT, this PKT and low in PKT. What the issue when you write if PKT? So if what you're going to analyze, here, let's use this type of comment. We're going to analyze let's do it like this. Let's use analyzing the print packet details. and print packet details. Packets details. So we are going to print. So I'm going to use print packet dot summary. Use this method packet dot summary. So can you also use print pkt dot show. Let's use this. So I don't know what's up problem. Let's put here. So you see, now we remove the errors. So it was an indent error. So now pkt dot show. These are for analyze and print packet details. So now we are going to define another function for capturing network traffic. Now we can use capture network traffic as a function. So now what you're going to display, I'm going to display capture and analyze. Let's capture and analyze network traffic. So now what you are going to do, you are going to set the interface to monitor, the interface that we have to monitor with specific the interface, the interface that you are going to monitor, the interface of our PC. My laptop is the interface that I'm going to use, network interface. So I'm using Wi-Fi currently. So let's comment here and write set interface to monitor. Please, we are going to check the interface to monitor. Now you can use window plus R. You can go through command prompt and write IP config / or. So this is where you can get the interface name that you are going to use. So we are going to use this interface name as my wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. Description: This is the interface name that you're going to use here. So the interface that you're going to monitor. So you have to replace, you have to replace with your specific interface name. Don't use mine, use the one which is in your computer. So I have to define it by iFace, like an interface. I have to use iFace name, for example. It's like writing interface name equal double quotation, and I have to write my interface name here. So let's close this and see the in a command line. We have to copy this. And come and put it here, inside here. So this is the interface name that you are going to capture. So now the remaining things that you are going to do is to capture packet in the handle network traffic using specified interface. So let me write it in a comment. Capture packets. Capture packets and handle. Capture packets and handle network traffic. Here we are going to use with our specified interface name. Interface name. So now we are going to use Sniff We're going to use a sniff and equal packets packet what? Packet handler. We're going to use packet handler. Yes, packet handler. Let's use packet handler. And after packet handler, we have to remove this. And you can also use iFace as we created iFace equal the interface that we used iFace name. You see it, we used this is the interface that we are going to use for capturing packet in the handle network traffic using a specified interface name. This is our interface name and the interface name of my laptop, network interface name. So you have to use the interface name you found or you find in your laptop. Don't use this. This is mine. So you have to use yours. You have to come in a command line, and if you type ipconfig/o, you will get according. If you are using Wi-Fi, you're going to get it here. If you are using Ethernet adapter, you will also find it here. So now this is the interface, network interface that you're using. So Here we have to use another things. Use store equal 0. So now after finishing that, what you are going to do is to write the main. We also have the main method, but let's use our own. The main method that you are going to use here, you are going to use if name. No, it's not. It's not. Right way. If equal percentage, use this. Can write may. Put this here. So after that, you're going to call that function. But capture network traffic. The function that you created. Let's write in a comment and call a function of so here is to double this. So, or you can call it through can use this. Let's use this. Let's use this. Control Z. I can use a single cut. Oh, single cut. But it's work the same things. This is not good. So now call a function to capture network traffic. So after that, can also do this. Let me check the spacebar. If name dot. So I'm sorry. So let's call it through here. Let's call it through here. Let's replace this. So there was a conflict. Let's use this and write but to use this is the best option. If name equal, use this main let's use this. So now you see no problem now. So we're going to write a function. We are going to call a function to capture network traffic. So here is capture that function, capture network traffic. Now we have finished our code. So we can run and check if there is something that you are going to get. Let's try. You see, we are capturing the network traffic. See, source destination 192.168.0.10.2, destination 102.13.96.55. You see version for IP version for those who know more about network. Now these are the packets that we are capturing. So you see TCP, export, deport, HTTP, sequence number, acknowledgement, reserved flags, window, checksum. Those are packets that we tried to sniff. So this script help you to sniff your network, and you can analyze the packet that you have captured using Python. So guys, thank you for watching. If you're more interested about more video, do subscribe. Thank you.